We build the most advanced technology on vacuum pumps and blowers and fabricated components. The technology that NVE provides for the Imperial trucks makes that truck work a lot better because we really take part in the quality. We take part in knowing how much vacuum to produce, what the customer's going to do, and they customize the truck according to each customer to make it work better for them.
From Imperial's perspective, NVE is a very strong partner. They align with a lot of the same company values that we do. They do a lot of listening to the customer and a lot of progression in their product to make things better. They're always looking to move forward.
You know, I think we work hand in hand a lot of times, especially when we roll out new product. You know, they're typically one of the first ones out there to throw it on the trucks. And, you know, we do a lot of testing on that side, which makes them a really good partner in that aspect.
All the customers know who to go to for the vacuum equipment. We really go into the depths of making sure that our products perform for a long-lasting ability for the customer. We're looking for long-term relationships and to make that product work as best as it can for the customer and do exactly what it needs to do to perform the job.
They're putting a lot of thought, quality, and craftsmanship and pride into their equipment, and it's just making our life easier.
I think they set themselves apart from pretty much anyone out there in the industry, and they're just a really strong company to deal with.
In my opinion, Imperial builds one of the best trucks in the market. When you see that piece of equipment, then there's the NVE product along with it. It just adds a value, it adds pride, and that's an amazing partnership that I see is going to continue to grow. We're very excited to bring new innovation along with Imperial's help.
Just because of all the design and technology that we're putting forward and the strong partnership we have with them, and they're just a really strong company to deal with.
And we really look forward to the future of continuing to collaborate and put more innovation into our products.